So hi, it's Michelle Conway. I am the chair of the Touch a Truck event for 2026. We have over 30 different trucks here. We have fire trucks, ambulances, digger equipment. We've got tow trucks with cars suspended, landscapers.